guys, welcome back to my channel. This is acrylic painting with me, Julie E, and this is Fast Forward Friday night. I am doing Artapalooza tonight, and these are the colors we're going to be using. They are from the Friday Night Flip Cup Challenge palette that Tish Winter puts out every week in the Artist Haven Facebook group. So if you haven't checked it out, go there, check it out. It's really cool. We have a lot of fun on Friday nights watching her and usually Brookie doing flip cups. So, okay, I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour with the colors. And first, that's going to be our base coat. And then we have our gold, which is a mix of those two colors. Then we have kind of a neon purplish color right there, using the Parage Posse and the Reflex Rose together to create that color. Then the next color, we've got Primary Magenta, Payne's Gray, and Pyro Red to create this color. Really pretty. And then right here, we've got these two colors to make that really, really pretty shade of blue. And they're all mixed with MiX Pour that you can get from Krista, and I will have her link, her email in the description. And then that is the new hairdryer I'm going to be trying out, because the Beast is just too strong and it blows my paints way too hard all over the place. So we're going to be trying this new little blow dryer. And I will see if I can find an Amazon link for it and put that in the description also. Okay, that'll do it.
Stays the same. Want to let it change. like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back. It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait. Bring the funk back.